everybody, welcome to Quilts on Tour. I finally got my first Sew Sampler box. I signed up for it a while ago but was put on the wait list, and I finally got it for this month. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I'm so excited. Oh, so pretty. So it says My Happy Place, October 2020. And on the back it has a coupon for 25% off all quilt patterns off of the Fat Quarter Shop, which is pretty cool because I need some more patterns. Alright, there's a little flyer here that shows what's inside the box, but I'm not going to really look at it because I want to be surprised. So the first thing in here is these Courthouse Steps Quilt Block Foundation paper piecing paper. Well, that's pretty cool. It makes the courthouse step. That should be fun. I haven't made one of those yet. The next thing are these 3-pack scissor IDs. Oh, let's see what they are. You can label your scissors. So the one with the spool is for thread, and this one is for fabric, and this one is for paper. So you can hook it in your scissors, and people who just grab scissors will know never to use the one that says fabric, because that can be dangerous. Those are pretty cool. Alright. Oh, this I've been wanting to get, but I haven't gotten it because I just haven't yet. But it's a it's the ruler that marks the 1/4 inch when you're doing the half square triangles. So you lay this on your fabric, like say this was a block of fabric from corner to corner, and then you can just draw the lines on each side, and you can, there's little slots to draw where to cut after you get it sewed together. That's really cool. I would pick this up in Joann's and then put it back, and then I'd go and then pick it up and then I'd put it back, because it's not really something you need to quilt with, but it's a lot of fun and makes it a little bit easier. I'm saving the fabric for last. So there's the quilt pattern, La Casita quilt pattern, and it uses the paper piecing that we got, the Courthouse Step foundation paper. Well, that's cool. So now I have no excuse to not to make it. This one is for, you can do a wall hanging, you can do a table runner. Oh, that's cool. Maybe I'll do the table runner because I need one. So here is the fabric. This is Paint Box Basics by Elizabeth Hartman. It's a petite layer cake, I think is what it's called. Yeah. Petite layer cake. So let's get this open and see what they look like. My goodness. Can't get in it. Oh, these are really cute. Little mushrooms and strawberries, polka dots. Sunflowers. That kind of reminds me of Minecraft. Leaves, more mushrooms. Nice, I like this collection. I like the colors. It's not too crazy. And then the last thing in here is the Greatest Hits quilt block. So I think they do a, there's a quilt block pattern in each box, and this is number 7. I think it runs from like March think it's when they start. So next March I'll probably start. And you can buy these separately online. I think they were $4.95 if you buy them separately. But it looks like a lot of fun. Can't wait to use my little ruler and my fabric. And the retail value of these, let's see, the fabric was $18.98 and the scissor ID magnets, they were $8.98, and my little seam guide tool was $5.99, and the paper piecing was $8.99, and then the pattern is $9.98. That's a pretty good value. Well, I'm excited that I got it, and thanks for watching me open it. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.